So we are back out here for another garage video. It's been a while since we've been out here in the garage, and we keep getting people saying, you know, when are you gonna make another garage video? It's been so long. So here we are. Actually, nobody has requested another garage video, but we have something kind of cool, so here we are. So while the mattress that comes in the tag trailers is okay, and we have improved ours a little bit by adding a foam topper on top of it, it's still not quite what we're hoping for. So to try to remedy that, we have invested in the Froli sleep system. And for those of you who do not know what that is, I will overlay something right here probably. It's basically a bunch of little plastic, almost like a box spring, that goes underneath your mattress to kind of help support you as you're sleeping. So I've opened the box, but that's about all I've done. So we'll kind of dig into this and see what we got. All right, so for us, what the company recommended was 2 of their standard size kits plus 1 extra row of springs. However, the way the tag's set up, that 1 extra row of springs would go right down the middle because it'd be an odd number, and that'd be right where that hinge is on the door. So we opted to go for just the 2 standard sets. We're gonna space them out a little bit wider, and I think that should work. For that matter, we've also been told that having them spaced out is a little bit better anyway with these tag mattresses, because the mattress is firm enough that if you put them very close together, you don't notice a lot of give. So there's basically what you get in the box. You've got all your little springs here. The blue are the normal firmness, and the light blue are the lighter ones, I do believe. And then all these gray pieces are what will interlock to attach these little springs to. So let's see if I can pull this out without making a huge mess. All right, so yeah, there's the little spring which attaches to that. All righty. So I know there's several videos about this online. You can find plenty on that. So I'm just probably going to do a time lapse inside the trailer and kind of speed through the install process, and then I'll come back afterwards and discuss how it went a little bit. All right, so we're back for day 2 of the Froley install. Yesterday I had to stop to go get some screws at the hardware store, and by the time I got back, we decided to call it a night and go ahead and start again in the morning. So we're going to get started, and it should be a pretty quick process today. I think I've pretty much got a good roll going, so it shouldn't take long to finish this up. All right, so I got it all in now. Along the bottom, we went 3 deep and 10 wide. Each door ended up with, 7 long and 5 wide. And then up at the top, we've got 1 row of 10. And everything seems to work all right. Doors work just fine. So I think we're about good to go. All right, so that's about it for the install of the Froley system. From an installation standpoint, it really wasn't bad. It went really simple. There's no problem there. Concerns that I have, typically I sleep with my feet underneath the where the air conditioner is, and Bagheera will sleep over in the corner there. It does raise the bed up some, so there's that. I'm not sure how much room there will be for my feet underneath that air conditioner, so we will see on that. We are headed out this weekend, so that's going to be our chance to kind of test this all out and see how it worked out. The system does come with these little red pieces that are to make any area of the mattress more firm if you need to, so we'll see how it works out, see if we need to use any of these. I haven't put any on initially, so we'll check that out. Like I said, we're headed out this weekend, so when I make a video about that, which will be here in a couple weeks or so, I will definitely include what our initial thoughts were after sleeping on it. So stick around for that one. I did come up with, we ended up with 10 extra pieces. So their recommendation was that I bought an expansion pack, which would include 12 more. Obviously, that wasn't quite the case. So I think, in my opinion, that the 2 regular boxes is plenty. So if you have any questions about the Froley system, let us know. If you have any experience with it, please, I'd kind of like to see the comment section turn into kind of a Q&A about this system. Anybody who has input about it or has experience with it, put down your thoughts on it. And like I said, any questions, and we'd kind of like to see where everybody else's thoughts are, and we'll let you know ours as well. So thanks for watching. Stick around for the next video, and we will see you in that one.